Dave, can we have a 9-note sequence, please? That's 9 notes. You just have to repeat them in the right order. Over to you. Well done, just one more hurdle to overcome.
Shirley, how are things?
I'm all right.
You sure?
Yeah, of course.
You can do it?
Myself. Yeah.
Everybody's behind you here. The very best of luck. Everything you've done tonight comes down to this moment. To turn that into £33,705, Dave, can we have an 11-note sequence, please? This is it, guys. It's down to you. The very best of luck. Off you go.
Caitlin, you went a little too early. It should have been Josh. It was blue next, not yours. You didn't get to your jackpot. You're left with £3,370. Well done. You did very, very well to get out. Now then, you can take that home. That's yours. Or you can use it to buy one last shot at winning your full 5-figure jackpot. Now, to do that, let me explain. To do that, one family member will have to face a 7-note sequence all on their own.
If they repeat that sequence without a mistake, you'll take home the full jackpot. But if they get it wrong, you'll leave with nothing. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to keep what you've got or give it a shot? Have a chat.
7-note sequence.
One person, 7 notes.
Do you want to keep what you've got, or do you want to give it a shot?
Give it a shot.
You're going to give it a shot?
Which brave family member is going to give it a shot? Josh. Josh. Okay, Josh. Well done. Josh, take your position. Rest of the family, come over with us, please.
Josh, all down to you now. One mistake and you go home with nothing. But if you get it right, it's the jackpot of £33,705. Take your time, compose yourself, Josh, and you let Dave know when you're ready. Okay. For the jackpot, away you go.
Never concentrated so much in my life.
You've got nerves of steel, my friend.
Whoa!
Wow! We've got the whole family coming. Come on, ITV.com/push.
Thanks for running with the rules, and most of all, thank you to you for watching. See you next week for more Push the Button. Good night, everybody!
Tonight at 10 on ITV2, we've got our tribute show to the late Stephen Gately, as told by the rest of the band in Boyzone Life After Stephen. Next up here, Will Smith in Chaps for Wild Wild West.